Hey friends, Tom Wiley here. I hope you're doing well. This is surely an interesting time, isn't it? We all are dealing with our own things of either not being able to work or dealing with sickness of ourselves or our loved ones. All of us are dealing with a lot of just changes to life. Changes to our lifestyle, to our thoughts for the future, and there's just so much going on right now. I've been wanting to get a video out to you guys, but life has been really crazy for us lately, but I wanted to finally at least get something out. I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be trying to post videos as much as I can that are particularly helpful for a time like this where you might be stuck at home trying to figure out how to keep things running by yourself. There's a lot of us are on fixer-upper homesteads or just houses that are needing work, needing help. That's the kind of stuff I do. You know, if your plumbing breaks, you might be the one that has to deal with that because nobody might be able to come fix it for you. If you have an electrical issue, if you have, you know, a roof that's leaking or a basement that's flooding, or, you know, the list is endless. A fence that's broken down or a gate that needs fixed. During times like this, there's often no one to turn to fix stuff. So I want to do what I can to help equip you, to help you, you know, to answer questions or give you tips or ideas on how to fix stuff or how to build stuff if you need to right now during this time of being stuck at home, being often limited to the resources you have on hand and not being able to go to the store and just buy stuff. Number one, if you have stuff like that going on right now that you just don't know how to deal with, drop a comment below this video or find me on Instagram at, I think it's Tom, I don't know, I don't even know my Instagram handle right now. It'll be in the link in the description below. I'll put my Twitter handle. No, it's obviously late at night. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll put the link down below or in text across the screen right now. Either write me on Instagram or comment on this video or any video for that matter. I'll try to help you out the best I can. Number two, the other way I can help is garden seeds. All of us need to start gardens now. We all need to be growing our own food. Myself, our own family, we're figuring this out. This will be our second year of trying a garden on a brand new property to us. The property had established gardens that then sat for 3 years before we bought the place, and last year was semi-successful, but we only got, you know, we didn't get a whole lot of gardening done, or, you know, stuff in the ground, and therefore we only harvested just a little amount. So we're trying to up that this year. We also got rabbits going finally. So we're just jumping into this stuff, just like a lot of you folks are. But if you need garden seeds, a lot of people are struggling to find seeds right now, and especially at prices that they can afford. We do have garden seeds, Heirloom Garden Seeds in stock. Heirloomsevermore.com is where you go to order them. We have sold through Azure Standard Co-op exclusively for the last, 14 years. And we've been the primary seed supplier to Azure Standard for most of those years. We are now selling them directly through our own website as well, so you can just go to heirloomsevermore.com. Again, I'll put that on the screen here and in the description below. You can put an order through and we'll pack it. We do it right here, pack it, ship it right to you in a few days. So only US shipping at this time. but we have a pretty good stock of all of our seed varieties. So yeah, that's the second way we can help, is if you need seeds, we've got them, and they're priced very affordably. So orders over $35 ship for free, so take advantage of that. I want to start off with the first tip. This is just something that I was out in the garden pulling a few T-posts and gave my phone to my daughter and said, hey, can you hold this? Film me pulling out a T-post. Some people don't know how to do this, and you know, if you have a T-post puller tool or can borrow one from a friend or even make one out of some scrap, this is how you can easily pull a T-post. Hey friends, Tom Wiley here, and Miss A, my camera lady. I'm going to show you how to pull out a T-post with a T-post pulling tool. It looks like this, kind of like a water pump with a handle, and it has this notched little head on it. So the T-posts have bumps along one face of them. This tool can go on either that way with the bottom of the T facing me and the bumps facing away, or you can make it so that the bumps face toward the handle. Either way, right here it's more convenient to have the bumps facing away from me. And I just slide the tool on to the T-post, and it engages on those bumps and makes it so that I can lever down, push down on the handle, and it pulls up. And then the little head thing here goes down a notch or two, and then engages, and you can pull it up again. So it makes it really easy to pull these up. Otherwise, pulling them by hand. Okay, so point it at me. Otherwise, it's really hard to pull these T-posts out. See, it's really hard to pull them out. But with this, it makes it easy. So I put it on. So this one, it's actually, the bumps are facing the handle. So pull it up. Make sure the camera is facing me. Pull it up. Probably one more and it'll be done. There. Now it's out all the way. All done. Consider this the first of lessons to come. Again, if you are running into specific problems and need help with you know, something that's going on your homestead or your house or your vehicle or whatever, ask. I might not know the answer, but I might know who to send you to, either a fellow YouTuber, or I might be able to ask a friend, or send you somewhere specific, you know, a little bit more specific than just Googling it. So we'll see. I've got quite a bit of experience in a wide range of fields, from airplane mechanics to homesteading. So anyway, hit me up with your questions, and if you need seeds, check out heirloomsevermore.com. I better go to bed. The fire is about ready for the night, so I better hit it. God bless you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you later.